Angelites. HAU-Scholar Volunteers for Environment is here again to provide an awareness about our current environmental situation.
That's right, partner.
Ay, partner, hindi mo ba napapansin na sobrang init kahit bare months na tapos last summer umuulan ng sobrang lakas?
Ay, oo, partner. Napapansin ko nga. Kulang na lang. Magbabad ako sa yelo dahil sa sobrang init.
Ay, true partner, kahit ako gusto ko nang gawin. At dahil dyan, ang topic natin ngayon is about climate change. Well, ano nga ba yung climate change?
Long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns are referred to as climate change. These changes could be caused by natural phenomena, such as shifts in the solar cycle.
Ah, yun pala yun. Pero ano nga ba ang mga dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng climate change?
Pollution is one of several factors that contribute to climate change. Pollution is the release of damaging substances into the environment. Pollutants impact the quality of the air, water, and land. In addition, deforestation is the removal of thinned forests caused by people. Because forests emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, when they are killed or even slightly disturbed, their loss and disturbance contribute to around 10% of the global warming. Finally, burning plastics harms the environment just as much as getting rid of all this plastic. Plastic slowly decomposes while burning and produces greenhouse gases, creating a toxic chemical mixture that is detrimental for the ecosystem and everyone exposed to the polluted air.
Ay, ano na naman pala ng mga dahilan? Susme, ano kayang epekto nito sa atin?
Warmer temperature. One consequence of climate change is an increase in greenhouse gas concentrations and global surface temperature. A few of the catastrophes that are getting worse because of rising temperatures are storms, heat waves, floods, and droughts. Then, flood. When temperatures rise, more water evaporation occurs, intensifying exceptionally heavy rains and flooding, as well as producing more powerful storms. Most people are aware that flooding has several direct repercussions, such as the loss of life, destruction of property, loss of crops and livestock, and worsening of health owing to waterborne illnesses. Finally, ice melts. As sea levels rise as a result of glaciers melting, coastal storms like hurricane and typhoons become more common and stronger. While sea ice and glaciers melt and waters warm, ocean currents will continue to disrupt weather patterns across the planet.
Grabe naman, partner. Ang lala pala ng epekto nito hindi lang sa atin kundi pati sa ibang living things. Pero paano kaya natin ito maiiwasan gaya ng pag-iwas niya sa akin?
Yes, co-partner, huwag kang magdadrama dyan. Remember, always know your worth. Pero moving on, are there any ways in help in reducing climate change?
Yes, partner, meron. And here are the ways to help reduce the impact of climate change.
Ways to lessen climate change's underlying causes. 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. When we minimize the number of things we buy or reuse what we already have, we use less energy to gather, transport, and process the raw materials needed to make new products. Additionally, recycling paper products and avoiding waste decreases the need to cut down trees, which allows the trees to continue to absorb carbon dioxide from the environment. Correct waste segregation reduces the amount of waste that is dumped in landfills, freeing up space. Pollution of the air and water can be considerably minimized when hazardous trash is appropriately separated from other waste types and processed. DIY recycled materials. By using recycled materials instead of new ones, we protect wildlife and fragile ecosystem from harm and extinction, and reduce the number of new materials and natural resources that must be extracted from the environment. Compared to initial manufacturing, recycling materials produces much fewer greenhouse gases.
O, di ba partner, kita mo, ang dami-dami solusyon, di naman nagagawa.
Oo nga, partner. Kaya Angelites, do not forget to take care about our environment. Simulan na natin gawin ang mga paraan upang mapabet ang paglala ng climate change, lalo na ngayon na madalas nagbabago ang weather natin.
Well, yun na yun, partner. Tapos na tayo.
Yes, that is all for Green Talk. Stay safe, Angelites!
And again, we are HAU-Scholar volunteers for the environment.
And let us all remember to save our Mother Earth.